Hello, I'm Robert Shanks, founder of the clinic here in Woodford. So are you suffering from a niggling pain or injury that's stopping you living life to the full? Perhaps that pain or injury keeps coming back and keeps coming back despite you having seen other specialists or therapists and just starting to worry that it's never going to get better. Or perhaps you're just suffering from a bit of stress and tension and are looking for some deep tissue work and a loosen up. Or if you're suffering from something more chronic, it might be useful to know that we specialise in helping patients with persistent pain and injury, be that back pain, trapped nerve, sports injuries, tension, headaches, any kind of joint or muscle problem, and getting them back to full fitness and feeling at the best again. We do this through 3 simple steps. Step 1 is an accurate assessment, which may sometimes, where appropriate, include imaging such as MRI scans and ultrasound scans to get a precise diagnosis and take out the guesswork. Step 2 invariably consists of exceptional hands-on treatment in combination with the latest therapy technologies such as shockwave therapy, laser therapy, ultrasound and others. But when it comes to the hands-on part of treatment, we are very proud of our reputation in the Woodford area and beyond for the quality of our deep tissue work and really getting to those knotted areas, those deep areas of tension that are responsible for so much restriction, chronic pain, and cause so many problems. Step 3, and argued most important for long-term success, is rehab and recovery, improving your strength, fitness and resilience, getting you back to your sport and your hobby, be that on the football pitch or simply back walking with the grandchildren again, without worrying about reoccurrence or pain or niggling injury. So if that sounds like the sort of thing that might be helpful, it'll be worth checking out our website further, our main website, spineplus.co.uk, particularly our services tab, our patient stories section, and our many Google reviews. If you want to get in touch, you can do so by calling the clinic number. We're happy to help. You can download or request an information pack on any of the services we offer, such as spinal decompression therapy, shockwave therapy, or any of our treatment plans. If you do want to book in online, you can do so on our separate bookings website, spineplus.online. And of course, you can call our friendly reception team, who will be very happy to book you in over the phone. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to the clinic soon.